How to log into your OCBC bank account. So OCBC is Singaporean International Banking and Finance Corporation. It stands for Overseas Chinese Banking Corporation. So let's see how you can log into it. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. And let's get right into it. You just want to open this link on a new tab. Here it will take you to the official website of this bank. From here, what you want to do is at the right side of your screen, you can see the login option. So if you just want to log into your personal banking, you can click here, or if you have a business bank account, you can click right here. I'm just going to go with the personal one. Now, if you click this, it will take you to the login portal. So as you can see here, you have an option to enter your access code and your PIN. So you can enter your access code right here and then your PIN right here. Once you enter your access code and PIN, you can simply click on login and it will take you directly to your account. But if you somehow forgot your access PIN or your access code or your PIN, you can click right here to recover it, and you can just follow these steps to recover your PIN. Once you do that, you should be logged into your account, and you can also log in with your SingPass. Because this is a Singaporean company, you can log in with this option as well. That is all for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.